What's going on, guys? Mike here. We're back with another video, something a little different today. We're at Fab Industries. We're gonna follow up with a couple of our students that have graduated and see how their journey is going. All right, guys. So I'm here with Pedro. He was our former helper there at South Coast, but he went ahead and broke out as a welder here at Fab Industries. I'm here with Tyler. He was a former student that graduated with us. Now he's here at Fab Industries. I'm here with the president, Jeff, of Fab Industries. So they're gonna weld out a 12-inch, 500 wall branch with some wire. So this is gonna be a first for me. I know it's gonna be a first for y'all, but I'm gonna go ahead and let them take over. Y'all are gonna be in good hands. Thank y'all.
Hey, today we're going to be working on a 12-inch 500 wall material. What we're going to be doing is qualifying an API 1104 procedure for a 12-inch branch connection. Like I said, it's 12-inch 500 wall, X52 material. And all right, we're going to have Pedro and Tyler come over here and get us started up and set up.
All right, guys, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to be running the root pass at probably around 18.6 volts for around 190, 180 wire speed. And I'm just going to come in. I like to kind of walk it back and forth. And then when I come down at the bottom, I usually like to kind of freehand it and make sure the gas is constantly pushing up and pushing out the puddle and until I get to the bottom.
All right, so today, guys, we're gonna be welding with some 035 hard wire, and we're gonna fill it out with 045 Flux Core. Now the technique I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lay it flat and I'm gonna wiggle up and down, all the way down to the root. So we just cut out these bridge tacks and we fold them in with the 035 wire. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna clean this off and we're gonna weld it with 045 Flux Core wire. We're gonna burn at 25, 26 in between.
All right, guys, so for the hot pass, the filler, I'm gonna start at the bottom and just go at a nice pace all the way up, trying to keep it at the bottom of the root pass just to make sure it's flush.
Now, as I said before, we're going to throw one bead on the bottom and another one on top, flush it all the way, and then throw our cap.
Alright, so what we basically did, we didn't weld it fully out, but we kind of did examples on each 4 corners just to show what it takes to fully weld out a saddle. So right here we did the start of the filler. We just did one at the bottom just to really get the top 2 on the other side for the filler. Alright guys, so this is the standard API 1104 12-inch branch weld X52 12-inch 500 wall.
Y'all like and subscribe to Weld Too. It was fun showing you how to do this. I enjoyed it. My first video ever. Hopefully come back for more. And Outlaw, y'all should really sponsor me because that's all I wear. So,
Peace.